Simon Ekpa send message to Hope Uzodinma and other Peter Obi supporters to join IPOB. They say road wey Soludo build, they say the road dey comot o, say that one na washing road. As rain fall, na dey carry the things dey comot. They say for Enugu state, oil full for ground for everywhere. Say if you go for New Haven for Enugu now, you go pack gas full your jerry can. This is happening in Enugu state. Okay, my wonderful people, you are highly welcome to Balabas Gist. If today is the first day you are coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to give us a follow in other way to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, and turn on your notification bell for quick updates as they hot. Now they bring and they come. Oh yeah, my people, they say water don't pass garri o, kasala don burst. No be small thing. And we will go ahead, go look into the ogbonge news where we get for hand today. No be small thing o. They say the PM wey be Simon Ekpa don send message give all the whole people where they support Peter Obi. He say Peter Obi na scam. And say everything where Peter Obi they do, na they use and they deceive the youth. Make them no focus for wetin they do, and finally they can't give them sleeping tablet. But whether they put am for inside AC, we no know. Everybody dey sleep, even channel television. My people no be small thing o. That sleeping no be ordinary. Everybody in the court is sleeping. Okay, my people, we go play you the video where Simon Ekpa they warn, they tell people say the door is open for them to come and join them, and we go also come back and continue. But we'll play the watch the video.
Good afternoon, fellow Biafrans all over the world. Good afternoon, one Nigeria morons. Good afternoon, those who are not disappointed after yesterday's court ruling, which we know. I want you to understand one thing. There is still room to join the Biafra liberation. The door is open for you to join, so you don't say, had I known. All of you who wrote petition against Simon Ekpa because of the delusional, imaginary president of Peter Obi, what is your fate today? Are you going to ask for forgiveness from God? Or do you still want to wallow in your delusional state of Nigeria? The time is now. We've gone far. We've gone very, very far. While you were waiting for your scam Peter Obi, we've gone far. Peter Obi were never real. We told you that Peter Obi is a scam. He was not real. First, you went into election contested against criminal. And then after that, you come back and start saying he was a drug dealer, he forged the certificate, he was this and that. What he did not fight during the primary election is a scam. What Peter Obi did, what they used Peter Obi to do, was to lure some of the moron Biafras, the gullible ones, into campaigning for one Nigeria, so that by the time it fails, just like it failed now, you will come back again, oh, Nigeria is not working again, and they will tell you, go and sit down. Is it because you lost the election? We refused. So if you come and put yourself under the Biafra Liberation Movement, nobody is going to say because we lost the election, because we never supported the election in the first place. Now the time is now. We need your support, financially and otherwise, to make this a reality. All we need now is more weapon, more ammunition to make sure we seal our land from the external aggressions. The external aggression from the terrorist government, the external aggression from the Islamic movement, Islamic State of West Africa, ISWAP. All we need to do now is to seal our land, and we need your support to do that. The government of Biafra in exile is working assiduously to make sure that our people did not go to IDP camp. The Biafra de facto government in the homeland is also making sure that our land is secured. So in the coming weeks, it is going to take an interesting turn, this Biafra liberation. So the question is, where do you belong? You want to stay to continue hoping on a failed state called Nigeria, or it is time you switch side? Biafra door is open for you to join. We're not asking you to go and wear military uniform or wear Biafra Liberation Army uniform. No, we have men, enough soldiers that have volunteered to fight for your future. Your future is not in Nigeria. Your future is in Biafra. Your future is in Oduduwa. Your future is in Arewa. Can never be in Nigeria. Nigeria is not a country, and you should know that by now. Hope Uzodinma. What we have done to you and to your family is back to sender. You know what I'm talking about. Igachago Nija Nata. Anama watching in Buenagia. Igachago Nata. Back to sender. Everything I email Oganachi Algazo. In my hand. So watch it and make sure you share this video and let it go to Hope Uzodinma. See, and I'm Hope.
Hey, my people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, Simon Ekpa sending a message to Hope Uzodinma. See, Anto. This one I do trending, no be smarting. Guys, what do you think about what Simon Ekpa said? If you really support him of what he say in this particular video, write you support your PM. No be smarting. Okay, my people, let's go and look into the next Ogbonge news where we get for hand today. They say for Enugu State, for New Haven, for Enugu, say oil, gas are coming out from gutters, and you can see people bailing those gas and putting inside their jerry cans. So we are going to play the video for you to watch. Then we'll come back and we need explanation how this, and this is a refined one, not even a clue, the refined one. So let's play the video for you to watch.
Gas coming out from gutter at New Haven. New Haven, last bus stop, New Haven. Look at gas. Look at gas. Original refined liquefied gas coming out of gutter. What a magic. What a miracle. What a magic. What a miracle. What a magic. Miracle gas. Look at it here. Coming to this place. You will not see gas. Look at, you will not see gas. But here, when you get to this place, you see gas everywhere. Look at the gas, liquefied gas. What a miracle! What a miracle! Palliative to people of New Haven. Palliative. New Haven palliative. Look at this is New Haven palliative. New Haven palliative. New Haven. Not palliative. Palliative to people of New Haven. No more palliative from government to the people of New Haven. No more palliative from the government to the people of New Haven. This is not palliative for people of New Haven.
Okay, my people, you are welcome back. And this has drawn so many attention of what is really going on here. And the people are asking, how come? Is it, I mean, there is a pipe they left from those sides, and maybe the pipe has burst and the gas is pouring. Nobody knows what really happened. This have drawn so many attention, and people are asking questions of what really happened. How come? How is it possible? And people have filled their jerrycan through this thing. So I don't know how this thing happened. And this is happening in Enugu, in New Haven, in Enugu. Okay, my people, don't be smart, you know. They say for Anambra State, say road where Soludo be for them. We say that road now authentic. And that road now be the most original road where they for Nigeria, where they for Anambra State. He say water, if you see the kind road where they show us, you go shokotalize. Okay, we'll go watch the video. May not be like say, will they talk too much or will they talk waiting no they happen? We'll get enough story to tell today. May you stay tuned. Okay, we'll watch the video of the road. Then we'll come back, come talk more about them. Watch the video.
Our Ebo governor, I construct to roundabout Julius Berger standard. In anya yafo kolo na ganiru concrete mix ilaja bia pothole ebe niile yafo roundabout. Yes, we are there. Julius Berger standard roundabout. Julius Berger standard roundabout. Oka road. Julius Berger standard roundabout. Oka road. Julius Berger standard roundabout. Julius Berger standard roundabout.
No be smarting, my people. This are becoming the problem of giving some bad contractors work to do, and end of the day, they give you anyhow work. Sometimes most of our leaders do cut deal with those people to use a cheap material in order way for them to get their own as well, so that more allocation will come for them to embezzle in their pocket as well. Okay, my people, now so we see for Anambra State to this road will be problem to people and it go slow business. That's why that anything, this is road and the electric, like they're supposed to be light in the state, are supposed to be road, so that the infrastructure, the business over there will boom, move more faster, and the government will get money from tax, because if things are not moving, somebody will not be happy paying tax. Okay, my people, now so we'll see more. Okay, we'll go see you for the next update. May you not forget to share this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important.